is high voltage electric power transmission network in Peninsular Malaysia. It is owned and operated by TMB, whereas in Sabah it is operated by Sabah Electricity Sdn Bhd SESB and Sarawak is Sarawak Energy Berhad SEB. Our current electric grid was built in 1890s and improved upon as technology advanced through each decade. The main sources of this system are gases, coal, hydro and fuel. Three main types of national grid system in Malaysia are divided into the size of transmission. First is 132 kV, which is medium transmission. Second is 275 kV, large transmission, and the largest transmission is 500 kV. The grid refers to the electric grid, a network to transmit line, substation, transformer, and more that deliver electricity from the power plant to home or industrial transmission in our country. The advantage and disadvantage of national grid system, which is the electricity can be used from any power station to reach demand in any state. The power station can be built far from the large cities and near the natural resources that need to be used. Any extra electricity in the system can be used to pump water up to the hill to be used after generate electricity in a hydroelectric power station. About the past development, and we are going to present the development of our electrical power system, which is smart grid system. Anyone know about smart grid system?
I know about smart grid system. Smart grid system compared with nation grid system is by communication. Nation grid system has one-way communication, while smart grid system has two-way communication. That's all.
Now we'll discuss about present development of electrical power system. The power system for present development is smart grid system. It is using information and communication technology to gather data and information. The innovation of upgradable grid perform two-way communication and gather data from the consumer to control the energy usage. Many countries have used smart grid technology as a solution in delivering data to improve in higher security, reliability, and saving energy efficiency. The history of smart grid system in our country began at 2004, which is the starting of planning of smart grid. The research is complete by TMB on roadmap at 2005, and it has been embarked at 2009. The advanced research program and two specialized technical service has been identified in 2011, which later implement the pilot smart meter in Melaka and Putrajaya at 2014 and 2015. The advantage of this system is it improves safety and efficiency. It makes better use of existing assets, reduce dependence on imported energy, and minimize costly environmental impact. Users can know the consumption at any energy meter, and it increases efficiency and energy saving. While the disadvantage for this type is the meter can be hacked because the privacy enabling hackers to remotely shut down the power, and it is very expensive for the consumers since the cost of installation is high. And that is the national smart grid system, and everybody understand about the past and present.
Doctor, what is the difference between national grid system and smart grid system?
Okay, so now we will see the comparison between national grid system and smart grid system. The grid system and smart grid system. For national grid system, it using the old analog meter to measure current used in each house, while smart grid system, it use grid sensing and measurement of meter, which is implemented in digital meter, so that the user can easily read the current. And the market of national grid system is mature enough in wholesale market in our place, since it is stable and operate by a trusted company. While smart grid system is still a limited wholesale market and undergoes development for this time. For national grid system, it can withstand the attack of disaster with its capabilities, while smart grid system is exposed to the people who cause violence and natural disaster, since it can be hacked by any hacker. And main comparison between these two types of system is the way of communication. For a national grid system, it's using one-way communication and two-way communication for smart grid system. And the pollution for national grid system is producing more carbon emission, while smart grid system reduce the carbon emission that has been released.
Shahira?
Yes?
So I conclude that from this lecture, smart grid is better than national grid system. Based on Dr. slide, he said communication for smart grid is better than national grid system because smart grid system using two-way communication, while national grid using one communication only.
Yes.
Because national grid doesn't have a signal for stop the load of current supply to the home.
Oh yes, so we understand now that smart grid is applied in Malaysia.
Oh, okay.
Bye.